Hello dear learners, welcome back to another conversation session. I'm Jason, and today we will practice English using the past simple tense. You will listen, repeat, shadow, and even answer questions. By the end of the episode, you will speak confidently about your yesterday. Alright, let's begin. We use the past simple tense to talk about things that happened yesterday, last week, last year, or any time in the past. For example, I woke up early. I went to work. I watched a movie. The structure is simple. Subject plus past verb. Most verbs simply add ed. A work worked. A play played. A visit visited. But some verbs are irregular. A go went. A eat ate. A drink drank. A see saw. Don't worry, we will practice everything today. Now repeat after me. Say each sentence loudly. I woke up early yesterday. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. I went to the market. I watched a new movie. I cleaned my room. I studied English for 1 hour. I talked to my friend. I cooked dinner for my family. I slept late last night. Well done. Your past tense is improving. Now let's practice negative sentences. Remember, did not plus base verb. Repeat after me. I did not work yesterday. I did not eat junk food. I did not watch TV. I did not go outside. I did not study last night. Good job. Questions use did plus subject plus base verb. Repeat after me. Did you wake up early yesterday? Did you eat breakfast? Did you go to school or office? Did you talk to your friends? Did you study English yesterday? Now answer in your mind. Yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. Excellent. Now listen to a short story. This will help you understand how past tense works naturally. Yesterday was a very busy day for me. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning. I didn't feel very fresh, but I got up anyway. I made a cup of tea and drank it slowly. Then I checked my phone. My friend sent me a message. Let's meet today. I smiled, got ready quickly, and left my home at 9 a.m. I took a bus to the city. The weather was nice, so I walked around for some time. Then I met my friend at a cafe. We talked, laughed, and ate delicious food. After lunch, we went to a bookstore. I bought a new English book to help me improve my speaking. In the evening, I returned home, cooked dinner, and watched a short movie. Finally, I went to bed at 11. It was a long day, but a very happy day. Now, I will ask you questions about the story. Answer in one simple sentence. Ready? What time did I wake up yesterday? Did I meet my friend at a cafe? What did I buy at the bookstore? Did I watch a movie in the evening? Pause. Was my day busy or relaxed? Excellent. You understood the story very well. Now, let's do shadowing. Try to speak with me at the same time. Here we go. I woke up at 6:30. I met my friend at a cafe. I bought a new book. I watched a movie in the evening. I went to bed at 11. Great job. Here are some useful past tense sentences for daily life. Repeat after me. I traveled last weekend. I visited my relatives. I learned something new. I cooked my favorite food. I enjoyed my day. Wonderful work today. The more you practice past tense, the more confident you will become in conversation. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Repeat it. Shadow it. And watch your English grow every single day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Subscribe the channel for more practice videos. Bye bye.